You just found the 2021 Genesis G80. Presenting the stunning, all-new G80, the midsize luxury sedan that delivers more impressive performance, roomier comfort, and more advanced technology than ever before, wrapped in clean, elegant style. Its premium, intuitive cabin, silky smooth ride, and streamlined style make this an irresistibly alluring automobile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, satellite radio. Outstanding performance and premium luxury blend perfectly with midsize sedan convenience in this stunning Genesis G80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.